This is for old in Anioma vibration. Clean out the place to Anioma people and do. Anioma people and do. I want to greet my people. I want to greet Anioma people. Anioma people and do. I want to greet my people. Indiana man make no know. This is for old in Anioma vibration. Clean out the big class to you. Indiana Anioma people and do. Indiana Anioma people and do. I want to greet my people. I want to greet Anioma people. Anioma people and do. Anioma people and do.
Yes, so in this life, know who you they follow. In this life, that is why they say follow who no road. Follow who no road. If there's any reason why you should follow any leader, make sure the leader you are following is a leader that knows road, that is not sentimental, that makes decision, that is ahead of his time, ahead of his generation. You know, Siam, the video you watch, the king has said, do not drag us to Southeast. I've told you people, I don't like politicians. But when I met Ned Nwoko, I found that he's a politician in a different manner. You may not like him because he married Regina Daniels. But he is a man with different acumen. He comes with different aura. He has understanding. He moves in a different way. Just one politician was able to galvanize, organize, bring together all the kings and the bees in Anioma into one umbrella for a cause that is going to favor all of us. But you are here shouting, Anioma is there. You are following enemies. You are following enemies to disrupt what will benefit you. Later you say politicians are these, politicians are that. Politicians are not working for your benefit. Yes, there's an interest that some of them are doing it because there's something that will benefit. But it's going to benefit you more, you that have been left out of the governance. I've said it time without number. The reason for state creation is to bring administration to your doorstep, to bring governance closer to you. In data now, the whole of Anioma local government has only one constituency, federal constituency. But by the creation of Anioma state, we will split into three and have 3 federal constituency. So now 3 different federal projects will now be coming to the state, depending on who is representing you. But now only Ned Nwoko is bringing only the project that is coming from federal. But when they say this, you will not see the light of the day. Enemy of yourself consume you that you don't want to be partake of what is coming to you. You think you hated other people, but you don't know you hate yourself. That's why you close your hatred clock, close your eyes not to see. You become blind even when your eyes are open. Self-hate is the worst of it all because it can destroy you. That I really thank God that men who will make decisions are not you with 2MB online. Men who will make decisions Don't look at your face. You know, many of you will come online and say, politicians not send us, government not send us, they just do whatever they want. Yet, you are still online, making mouth as if you are the one to make the decisions. You know that politician doesn't send you, but you are still online saying it will not happen, will not allow them to be graded, as if your decision is what the government is going to take. That's why I say, thank God, men that will make decisions are not you online. Look at them sitting together, organizing, coming together. You know, they say in politics, no permanent enemy. It's just an interest. Today, the person you call the enemy will eat with the enemy. See, and now you are kings. That they shouting at we are not Igbo. I even join in because a tree cannot make a forest. Only him cannot decide for the entire people. Only him cannot. A political power is stronger. Today now, he's sitting down there shouting. He doesn't know that people like us, young boys like us, are the one who engineer this thing that he's shouting. We are the one who engineer it. In case you have forgotten, let me refresh your mind. You can see I'm posting here when we visited the National Assembly to submit the proposal for Anioma State. You can see it here. Clearly, the movement was started 1 year ago, and now even the movement has swallowed people like us. Nobody remembers us again. But I'm happy that the men who made decision buy into the idea. Because it's not my own idea. It's not our idea. It's not something else to be our idea. But at least we made the effort to resonate it. And after doing it, we handed it over to Ned Nwoko so that he can run with it. And he's running with it now. Running with it with speed of light. And it's going to come to pass. See it now. I remember when I protest single-handedly in the Abuja, and I did this Twitter, this thing. All of you are shouting. You are just wasting your time. Look at it now. Your kings are joining the train. If you don't join the train now, it will leave you. You know, I never said, David, I'll be saying, subscribe to me, click share button, this and that. You know why? I believe that a good market will sell itself. But today I'm bold to tell you, follow me, follow me, follow me. You can see that your kings are joining what I'm bargaining for. That is why you should follow me. By now you should know that I know road. Follow who know road. Follow me. Click share button. Share. These are the messages you're supposed to be sharing. That men like us are in our small corner, in our small world, make moves physically, not on social media. And he's governing, he's bringing all your kings into one umbrella without our presence. But they are moving according to what we initiated. That's why you should follow people like us, because we see ahead of the time, play the game, and they materialize. I just hope that this is not the end. By the time Anioma State is graded, then you will see the next move to make the state work effectively. I'm out of here, Joe.